Our short phrase and sentence for you today is cheta ihe ahụ. Cheta ihe ahụ. Cheta ihe ahụ, which means remember that thing. Cheta ihe ahụ. You can simply say it's okay, Odemma, but let's broaden your knowledge of Igbo language by giving you other options. You can say echetaram ya. Echetaram ya, which means I remembered it. Echetaram ya. Take note of the color of each word. In case you are joining us for the first time, the colors are meant to give you the individual meaning of each word that makes up the phrase or sentence. This will do to help you understand the composition of the sentence and also have the ability to write the Igbo language if that is one of your goals. So take note of that, and as you do, step out there to tell somebody chetai haho and expect him to say Odemma or echetaram ya. Please, as you practice this, you remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also like and comment so that you can help others to discover this and then equip us to serve you better. God bless you.